Edday Nderitu nĩarekereirie mĩario mĩrũrũ. Mĩario ĩronekana ta ĩrongoreirio mũthuri wake Samido, kũringana na ũguo arauga, she's talking about her married life. Ũrĩa mũthuri akoragwo disrespectful, nginya akareha side chick nake akanja ku disrespect the main wife. And she was saying this when responding to a post made by a Facebook user ũrĩa rĩtwa rĩake tũtigũkorwo tukĩhithũria. But someone had posted this akiuga, where do side chicks get the strength to tell a married man, promise not to break my heart or cheat on me? Women, how special do you think you are than the wife? Don't be a devil in someone's marriage. There are a lot of single men huku nje. Tafuta uoshe wako and you will thank me later. Na Edday Nderitu nĩarakorirwo akiona post iyo, and she took to the comment section to pour out her heart on this issue, on the matter of side chicks. Akiuga, it all starts with a man who doesn't respect his family. Then comes a side chick who thinks she's better than the wife. Then comes children who suffer because of two selfish people. And that's why suicide in preteens and teens has increased. Neyo nĩyo ndũmĩrĩri Edday Nderitu arakorirwo akĩrekereria, atĩ thĩna ũyũ wothe ũrehagwo nĩ mũthuri ũtaratĩa mũtumia wake na family yake, acoka akarehaga side chick karĩa nginya gatekũ respect the main wife, na ciana igatigwo igĩcafa. Na ndũmĩrĩri ĩno ya Edday ĩrakorwo ĩgĩtuthũra ndereti nene mũno mwena wa Facebook, angĩ magĩtikaniria nake na angĩ makĩregana nake. No Waweru ũyũ wa mbere araugire nĩetĩkĩra, he promises he won't. Ona Portman director onake arauga nĩma airĩtu metikire gũthambia arũme ao, metikire mũndũ kwĩyethera mũthuri wake amũthambie wega, no ti gũthũkĩria arĩa angĩ kĩhiko. Onake Jimon Red Senior arauga, first things first, the man has to respect the wife and not step out. Onake Boniface Karanja arauga, that's an extremely wise advice. Hope they can hear you and act accordingly. No man will leave his family for you. And if one can cheat on his wife, who are you to be spared? Nake Caroline Maina arauga, point to note, though the man should first respect his wife, not allowing the side chick to abuse or insulting her all over. Nake Karoshi arauga, perfectly said. Kai Ole Kaison Lemayan arauga, the woman might be very innocent, but the man needs solace in her, love and even company, or he's looking for a second wife. And most of these women have a lot of respect to man's family. Mostly the problem is the married woman. No, Edday still stands her ground with her words at it all starts with a disrespectful man, mundu taratea family na mutumia wake, na nikie guthie na nja the side chick uria nake tegutea ginya mutumia na ciana, and that is how the family ends up getting ruined. No guo niguo ciana itigagwo aricio irateseka. Na ndukariganirwo gusubscribe for the latest and best Kikuyu celebrity news.